What is this hypocrisy, Dr. Anand Ranganathan?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. First of all, before I come to the thrust of the topic, can I please register my condemnation of one of your panelists talking in very patronizing terms about Mr. Chetan, saying that, oh, someone who's come from America is talking about underprivileged. Well, my good friend who's a panelist.
Anand Ranganathan, let me not hold you back.
Yes, and maybe this person doesn't remember that it was Dr. Ambedkar, who had also returned from America after a PhD from Columbia, who talked about and spearheaded the rights for the underprivileged. So maybe in his book, an Italian can come, descend on India and talk about underprivileged, but Dr. Ambedkar from America cannot, or Mr. Chetan cannot. Now, second question about Mr. Jamai talking about, waxing eloquently about Dalit rights. Maybe he forgets that according to International Dalit Solidarity Network, there are about 100 million Dalit Muslims who are discriminated more than the other Dalit Hindus are. So let him not talk about selective about what is happening to Dalit Hindus. Dalit Muslims face as much discrimination as any other Dalit community. Now, let me come to the thrust because it's a very important discussion we're having. Navika, quote, I dislike any kind of reservation, more particularly in service. I react strongly against anything which leads to inefficiency and second-rate standards. I want my country to be a first-class country in everything. The moment we encourage the second rate, we are lost. If we go in for reservations on a communal and caste basis, we swamp the bright and able people and remain second rate or third rate. The only real way to help a backward group is to give opportunities for good education. Help should be given on economic consideration and not on caste, unquote. Who said this? Jawaharlal Nehru on June 27th, 1961. किसी में दम हो कांग्रेसी में या सपोर्टर्स में तो कह दे जवाहरलाल नेहरू गलत थे. हिम्मत है तो कह दो. Look, why are we shirking away from the truth? You mentioned 370 and Congress trying to get it back, thereby removing whatever little semblance of dignity the Dalits got through abrogation.
डॉक्टर रंगनाथन को अरे कुछ अपना बताओ जो पिछड़े प्रधानमंत्री है, पिछड़े प्रधानमंत्री, उनका कुछ बताओ. आरएसएस का बताओ. आज केरला में आरएसएस ने क्या बोला है? नेहरू जी का
क्यों हो रहा है?
नेहरू जी
जमाई साहब इतना रैटल क्यों हो गया? जवाहरलाल नेहरू को कंडेम कर दीजिए. घबराइए मत.
लेना पड़ता है आपको.
घबराइए मत जमाई साहब.
नेहरू जी का नाम लेना ही पड़ता है.
मुस्लिम्स की बात करी तो घबरा गया.
नाम लेना पड़ता है.
मुस्लिम्स को राइट दीजिए.
अरे आरएसएस का नाम लो ना. केरला में क्या बोला है आरएसएस ने आज?
दलित मुस्लिम से राइट मत छीनिए. आप होंगे अशरफी,
दलित मुसलमान हो या दलित हिंदू हैं, दोनों की एक हालत है. दोनों की एक हालत है. और कास्ट सिस्टम ने
लेकिन मुस्लिम्स को आप डिवाइड नहीं करेंगे. पसमंदा मुस्लिम्स, अंसारी मुस्लिम्स, द लोअर कास्ट मुस्लिम्स, यू विल नॉट टॉक अबाउट देम. Because you want to divide the Hindus, you don't want to divide the Muslims. Isn't that the formula that they want to follow, Sudhanshu Trivedi?
दलित मुसलमान कास्ट सेंसस चाहते हैं, पसमानदा मुसलमान कास्ट सेंसस चाहते हैं.
First,
नेहरू
I would
जी का
like
नाम
to.
चल रहा है आज, इंदिरा जी का नाम लिया जा रहा है.
भाई सुनो मेरे
अपना
भाई,
नाम लो यार.
अभी बता रहे हैं.
आज इंदिरा जी गाई जा रही है. इंदिरा जी की बड़ी याद आ रही है.
अनकंफर्टेबल ट्रूथ कम्स,
आज
दिस टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शंस आर
आरएसएस के
एमिनेंट.
मुखिया ने कास्ट सेंसस पे क्या बोला है?
फर्स्ट, अरे अभी बता रहा हूं मेरे भाई. आप
भाई
बिल्कुल
आज
मॉडर्न.
गच्चा मत दीजिएगा.
West Bengal government has given 91 caste into OBC, out of which 85 were Muslims. अरे भाई क्या तरीका है बात में लगातार बोलते रहने का? This is not fair. Everybody is speaking on its own term. We understand when the uncomfortable facts come. This is the only option. Now I'm coming to that. The West Bengal government.
I'm lowering your fader. Please allow Sudhanshu ji to respond to what you've raised. Sudhanshu ji.
I am now talking strictly this day. When West Bengal government has given 91 castes in OBC, and out of that 85 were Muslims, and OBC commission asked how it happened. Then what they replied? Before converting, they were in OBC, so that's why we have got it. Then OBC commission asked how much this level of conversion, and they were speechless. And Mr. Amit Jamai यही तो मैं बताना चाहता हूं, किसने मारा ओबीसी का हिस्सा? 85 ले गए 91 में मुस्लिम, और वेर एवर द मुस्लिम गेट्स डोमिनेंस, रिजर्वेशन इज फिनिश्ड. AMU, it was finished in 81. No SC, ST, OBC reservation. In 2011, Jamia Millia Islamia, it's finished. No SC, ST, OBC reservation. The only Muslim state, Kashmir, it was finished. No SC, ST, OBC. And you know, Congress government given a back door that whosoever will be called a minority institution, then they will be exempted to give reservation. And in 2013, 12 or 13, they have given, मैं just data बता रहा हूं, 19,500 institution they recognize as minority. और 2020-21 में हम कितना दे रहे हैं? 12 या 19. 12-19 versus 19,500. So everybody is very well aware that who is snatching away the reservation of ST, ST and OBC. और एक मैं I would like to give advice to my dear friend Anand Ranganathan. Whatever you have spoken, from now onwards, because I have said the ecosystem is going on, ये क्या करेंगे? आपका वो लास्ट में नेहरू वाला डिलीट कर देंगे और चला देंगे कि आप ये सब बोल रहे हैं अगेंस्ट द रिजर्वेशन, जैसा अमित शाह जी के लिए किया था. तो आई गिव यू एन एडवाइस on the brotherly advice, after every line you should say Nehru, then I next sentence say Nehru, so that these type of persons who are very mischievous should not get an opportunity to cut paste your statement and try to create a false propaganda.
Absolutely, and let me get in Vivek Srivastava. Vivek Srivastava, when people in Karnataka who have supported the Congress party just months ago in the Lok Sabha elections and before that in the assembly elections, when they feel so demoralized that they have to bring out an entire movement called Congress Hatao, Dalit Bachao, clearly something is not right in terms of what is being done in Karnataka. I want to ask you tonight, all this while, everybody has been cursing the BJP, the Prime Minister, ye nahi karte, they do just lip service, and we are literally telling you that you'll have to do this is how we want things to be done. Why doesn't the Congress do what it promised to do? And why is the Congress today becoming a complete obstacle for Dalit rights?
No, please don't worry for us. India Alliance is coming to power. The Congress will be coming to power with us. We know where we stand. The Dalits and the OBC.
You are already in power in Karnataka, sir. This is the problem. You are so drunk on power.
No. अभी आप मैम बोलने दीजिए. No. Let me speak, please, ma'am. आपने बहुत लेट आई हैं. मेरा फीडर डाउन रखा है. अब आप थोड़ा सुन लीजिए 40 सेकंड. Now the fact of the matter is that I am very grateful to Sudhanshu Trivedi. And Amit Jamai, you should also be grateful to him. हम दोनों को आज पता चला साहब 94 साल के सरोज साहब के पैसे से यूपी का इलेक्शन आप जीते हैं. पैसा बटा था. इस देश की जनता सरोज से पैसा लेती है और वोट डालती है. Thanks a lot, Sudhanshu Trivedi, for letting us know. That means you might also have taken money from Soros in 2014 and 19, and you are doubting your own election process. And now coming to Mr. Chetan Kumar, I do not know the credentials of Mr. Chetan Kumar. But till 27th of August 2024, Maha Akuta, which is a group of Ahinda, very close to Chief Minister, they protested on August 27th, abhi 5 din pehle, and they protested in favor of Siddaramaiah. And they said that the governor's move to take action against him will be protested upon. ये अचानक 5 दिन में क्या बदल गया? And are the office bearers of Ahinda and the Maha Akutta with you, Mr. Chetan Kumar, or you are simply a darling of the media because you are anti-Congress? That needs to be told. Is Mr. Ramchandrappa, who was the General Secretary, with you? Mavali Shankar with you? Anant Naik with you? Venkat Ramaiah with you? How many people of Ahinda are with you? Are they or are they not? Or you are just being supported simply because you are raising a voice against the Congress, and because the India Alliance is trying to raise the issues of the backwards and the Dalits, so it is a government ploy and the BJP ploy to show us down. That needs to be clarified by Mr. Chetan Kumar.
Mr. Chetan
and all
Kumar,
these
please
big things about
Mr. Chetan Kumar, please respond. Now your credentials are being questioned. Whether you're close to Mr. Siddaramaiah or the Congress party, that is being questioned. Please respond. And Anand, I'm coming to you. You're trying to show us something. I'll come to you.
First of all, I want to thank Mr. Ranganath for his supportive words. your first Congress panelist does the deceit that Congress has always done, makes personal accusations rather than defeating us in the battleground of ideas. They've always failed. It's the same thing Gandhi did against Ambedkar. It's the same thing they're doing right now as well. This recent panelist seems to has spoken about certain Dalit leaders who have backed Siddaramaiah. Even when Baba Sahib Ambedkar and Kanchiram led their movements for equality and justice, there were Dalits that backed the Congress. The Dalits of the Congress have always been our enemies. Human beings of equality, human beings of equality.
How many people
Let me
of
finish.
Mahinda are with you? If the
Human
General
beings of
Secretary with you,
equality
he
and
is not with
justice
you.
are our people.
You are just
We are
playing
not
gimmicks.
an idea. We are not.
And the media is
we are not.
promoting you because
Can
you're
I speak?
anti-Congress, anti-India
We are
alliance.
not an. We are not an identity movement.
Don't give me a we.
We are.
Give me the
We are
names
an
of the office bearers
ideological
who are with you.
movement that questions the entire system of injustice. And
Give
let
me
me
the
tell you
names of the
something.
office bearers
Mr.
of Mahinda
Siddaramaiah, when he
who are
came
with
to
you.
power,
Have a single
first thing he did, first thing Siddaramaiah did was he made his Kurba community, which is the fourth most powerful community in Karnataka, he made them an ST by sending a recommendation to the center. He is accused of taking Dalit land and not declaring it in 2023, and now he wants 62 crores of what he wants. He declared only 8 crores. He, in 2016, when we asked for private sector reservation on caste and region and gender, he made a lathi charge, Mr. Siddaramaiah, put 28 of us in jail, and now he talks a big game that he's doing it, and he caters to the elites and the corporate lobbies, and he doesn't bring in justice. Mr. Siddaramaiah has always used Dalits, and he has always failed the Adivasis and the Bahujans and the OBCs. We want justice. We
Tehseen
want
Poonawalla,
transformation.
these are very strong allegations. Please respond.
Of these Dalits.
I'm coming to you, Anand. Just a minute.
And Anand, I'll just take 45 seconds. I thank Chetan again.
Single office bearer who said that.
Please, Vivek, let me. Chetan has on this show, and I've just got a WhatsApp from the organization Chetan claims to represent, saying that he has no one supporting him. He's a lone wolf. But more importantly, Chetan recently said there should be reservations in the Indian cricket team. Anand, I want to hear. He said there was reservations in the Indian cricket team in private sector. This is Chetan,
Absolutely.
which nobody supported. Point number 2, this lie that Nehru did not want reservations. Let me just say the word OBC in Parliament was not only introduced by Nehru on 13 December 1946 in the Constituent Assembly. Under Nehru, this were the lines that were passed by the Constituent Assembly. The President of the Republic can by decree nominate. अरे यार आनंद, मैंने आपको नहीं रोका, आप मेरे बीच में बोलते हो, you get all the time.
आपने 45 seconds कहा.
Don't do that, Anand. See, this is the debate has to be fair.
It was my turn.
We are always
Actually,
stop. We are always stop now. You got all the time. We are always stop. Just I'll take 2 lines more. The President of the Republic of India can by decree nominate a commission formed by persons he or she considers to be competent to investigate within the Indian territory on the conditions of class suffering or backwardness, as well as in social and in educational terms, and on the problems they meet, the way of proposing measures which could be taken by the central or state government in order to eliminate difficulties and improve their condition. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in Parliament. He got reservations in. He got the word OBC in. So stop misleading the people of India and ask Chetan, does he want reservations in the Indian cricket team and private sector? Yes or no? Hi, Anna.
Anand,
Navika, can I
respond.
please come? Navika,
Did
what more can
Chetan
I
say
say?
this or no?
No,
Reservations in the
Tehseen,
cricket
please. Tehseen, this is not.
Tehseen, why don't you be the anchor and moderate the show?
आ जाओ.
Thanks, Anand, thanks.
तहसीन एंकर बन गया तो मुझे 30 सेकंड्स भी नहीं देगा नाविका. आप तो कम से कम 30 सेकंड्स देती हैं. नो नाविका, लेट मी प्लीज जस्ट गिव मी अ मिनट बिकॉज आई वांट टू एड्रेस द वेरी सीरियस क्वेश्चंस posed by तहसीन. नाविका, this is the reason why I quote things verbatim. 27th June 1961 was the letter written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru where he is totally against caste-based reservations and calling them second-rate, third-rate people taking up job. Now, अब वो एडवीना ने थोड़ी ना लिखा है, नेहरू ने लिखा है. या तो चैलेंज कर दो, नेहरू की किताब से उठाया है. एडवीना माउंटबैटन had gone to UK. What are you talking about, Tehseen? She did not write this. Number 2, and this is absolutely important for my dear friend Vivek. Communist standing up for Dalit rights is like Hafiz Saeed standing up for non-violence. ये देखो, the co-founder of CPIM, EMS Namboodiripad.
You have no knowledge
Navika,
of
I
caste
can't continue like
struggle
Navika,
versus
ऐसे
class
में नहीं.
struggle.
Okay, I'm
You have
lost.
no knowledge.
I'm, you know, if you're naming him, complete your point, Vivek. I'll give you time to counter.
versus class
Complete your point, Anand Ranganathan. All other faders down.
Thank you. As I said, communists talking about Dalit rights is like Hafiz Saeed talking about non-violence. This is EMS Namboodiripad, founder of CPIM. Caste system is a superior economic organization, unquote. Quote, working class is superior to the Dalits, unquote. Quote, no wonder Dr. Ambedkar said, I am an implacable enemy of the communist. ये आएंगे दलित राइट्स के लिए, थोड़ी शर्म कर लो. You are against Article 370 abrogation as well. You have for 70 years, communists deprived lakhs of Dalits their just rights.